I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain cry.
Good morning, guys. So we are on our way to go pick out our lot for our house to be built on. We're gonna go put down the deposit for the lot and sign the agreement, and it's so exciting. Yeah. So we're on our way to go pick out the lot. We saw the model yesterday, and we fell in love with it. It's right below our budget, and we can afford it all day long. It's a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a basement, and you can finish the basement for like $12,000 more. But I don't know what my husband is gonna do, so yeah. So we're just gonna go with, depending on how much it pushes our mortgage over, we might add it, we might not, because we have to add in the sliding glass door and all of that. So we're not sure if we want to finish the basement, but that would be nice to have a finished basement. But my husband was like, well, he can finish the basement later on, it's not a big deal. But yeah, so we are moving out of state, but it's not far. Like, it's not far from the border of Maryland, but that's what you gotta do. I mean, you have to make sacrifices and stuff. So we can't afford anything in Maryland realistically to fit all of us, like the children and, you know, the space we need and stuff like that. So anyways, I will show you guys once we get to the lot.
800 feet.
I will show you guys the process, the whole process. You guys will see the whole process from start to finish and stuff like that. So I see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is our home site that we chose. So this is the cul-de-sac. Go around, all the way around, and our house will be right here. So yeah, so this is it, 119. Good morning, guys. So today is the day that we go to pick out the final update. Like, not to pick out, but we go to finalize the update for our house that we're building. And so that is exciting. Yay! You guys will see the whole process, the whole journey and everything after the house is complete and we have the keys in our hands and it's ours. So that is exciting. And then after that, we don't have anything else planned after that. So yeah, I will see you guys up there. So this is the color that we chose. So we went with, the primary color for the siding is Irish Thistle, and then we got the accent, this is what, Sagebrook, and then for the shutters we got this, what is that, Black Watch Green, and then the door is just black, and then our garage and trims are white. So this is what it's gonna look like on the outside. And then this is our layout. So we are lot 119. So this is how, and we're on a cul-de-sac. So this is what our house is gonna look like. So you're gonna have the garage and then all of this land around it going all the way back is ours. So we were gonna go with this because we wanted a walkout, but the land, the runoff, this has a runoff, so you can't really, it's like hilly. So we're like, no, I'd rather have more land for the kids, flat land, like flat, really flat for the kids to, you know, put a trampoline back here or whatever. So we went with this, and this is the biggest lot. This is the biggest lot on all the cul-de-sac, so we're happy with it. And yeah. Hi guys, so just a bit of an update on the house situation. So we got great news today. Today is the day that our loan officer called us and told us that we what? We're approved. So first, basically what that means is that when we went to go look at the model home, we saw it, we liked it, and then we called the sale rep and we was like, we like it, and he was like, okay. We had to put down our earnest money, deposit for the lot, and all of that. We did all of that. And then 2 days later, we went to the mortgage company. We sat down with them. They collect all of our information. And then they sent us to underwriting. When we went to underwriting, Marcelo's score, the loan officer had pulled his credit score. And when they pulled it, his score was high enough to get us approved. With the only thing that was holding his score down was his credit cards. They were pretty high, but needless to say, we got approved without paying it down. But she pulled his credit score with the wrong digit and everything, and so when everything after the conditions and everything were met, she went back and pulled the score again, which kind of scared me because at that time the credit card balance, it was right around Christmas, and we had jacked up the credit cards and they were like at their max, and so that dropped his score. It pulled his score down way below past approval. And she did a credit simulator to show what he needed to work on, and we hopped on that. We sold the blue truck, we got a decent amount of money, we paid down the credit card, paid down my car, and so when we paid down my car, like basically paid it off to the point where once my car was paid off, let's just say it was paid off, because from now until closing it's going to be, they're not going to count it towards our debt to income. So anyways, whatever, long story short is that she did that, and then we paid off all the credit cards, which brought his score way back up. And then she did a rapid rescore. When she did a rapid rescore, it took another 3 weeks because they have we went through the builder mortgage company, and they're backed up, and we had to wait 3 weeks to get our approval, which is today. So she called us today to let us know, and right away as I heard her voice, you could hear it in her voice, and she was like, I got good news. And Marcelo had just like walked through the door. He had just stepped through the door from work and was holding Maddie when I answered the phone. She was like, I got good news for you guys. You guys are approved. And I was like, I couldn't hold back. I was like, yay. Oh my, I was like so excited, because if you know our story, you would understand why our excitement is so, you know, what it is. You know what I mean? But I am thankful to God that we have came this far, and we are, you know, being adults, you know what I mean? We're being adults. And we're adulting. We're actually adulting today, because Lord knows we shouldn't be borrowing that much money. But hey, if it takes us out of the situation that we're in right now, where we're paying way too much for something that we don't own, then yeah, more power to us. But I just wanted to record this because this will be forever a memory that I will remember, and I want it to be recorded, and I wanted to share with you guys. So you guys won't see this until way after the build. You guys won't see this video, but anyways, you're gonna see it. So yeah, let's keep going. Bye guys. Good morning guys, come on in. So we have pre-construction meeting today at 10, and it's like 8 something, so we have to leave now because it's so far away. But so we just got finished. Is it finished? We just finished our pre-construction meeting. It went well. I like our project manager. He seems cool and down to earth. One of his joke was that he YouTube stuff. I was like, so that's where you learn how to build houses, is from YouTubing houses? And he laughed, and I laughed, and I was like, okay. But with all fun and jokes aside, he seems down to earth, like the type of person that, you know, that could build a really good house. I mean, you never know. But he's not the one building it. He's gonna hire people to build it, but I'm pretty sure he's not just gonna let, you know, that they're building on his name, you know what I mean, at the end of the day. That wasn't really much to go with. The meeting only lasted an hour and 30 minutes. He answered a whole bunch of questions that I had like a whole list of questions, and he answered, and I had one thing I wanted for him to do, but he said he couldn't do it because it's a code situation or something, whatever. But either way, it's fine. Anyways, I'ma go
In 800 feet, turn left
and I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
Drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go, let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know, can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer, can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer, can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer.
We're here. So we just did our final walkthrough and everything looks so good. I love the lighting in here. I thought I had to change it out, but I think the lighting looks great. Let's see the kitchen. Still look kind of, I'm taking on the color of the cabinets. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to change. Oh, look, perfect. So this is where I'm gonna be like, good morning, sunshine. There goes the island back there that hopefully I'll be doing a lot of lunch videos, hopefully. So, I don't know if I should give you guys a tour or wait. I don't know. I can't put this little one down because she's so cranky. Hi guys, I'm so tired. So,
My face.
they had color run today, but we closed on our house. I forgot the camera, so you guys missed all the fun. But we just purchased our new family. You guys don't know what it is. You guys don't know what it is.
Stop.
So I'm about to surprise the kids, and they're gonna see it for the first time that we are gonna be able to travel again once more as a family, and I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you excited? Yeah. So let's go surprise these kids. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Right here. You ready? Alright, go. Don't go across the street yet. I don't know, is it? Which one is it? It's the red one? You sure?
I don't think so. Does it have a license plate?
No, it doesn't have a license plate.
Yes, that one. Yeah. Is it that one?
Mhm.
It's new, so yeah. That one? It is. Nice.
Oh gosh. Mosquitoes over there. Open it, it's open.
Watch the other car.
¿Y la placa?
Solo la placa de atrás.
Oh. Wow.
Babe, there's a mosquito in my back.
Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you. You just brushed him, you didn't kill him?
Yeah, that's
There's
it.
on my elbow.
Yep, yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Did you drive it home?
Yeah.
Daddy drove it home.
Yeah, wow.
How do we put it down? It matched my sandals.
Like the old truck.
It matched my sandals.
Okay. Look at this. Now you gotta put this one out there.
Oh.
Daddy, what did the
Huele a
button
nuevo,
do?
rico huele.
I'll hold back.
All right, the twins in the back.
Do you like it here? I want to be near. Whoa! Here?
All right, lift up.
We need to get used to it. I know.
And Miss Maddie. There you go, baby.
Oh, Jordan, look. You get your own, I get my own. I get my own.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
Viste, igual todavía cabeza ahí.
Oh gosh, mosquito bit.
Igual todavía cabeza ahí porque uno va atrás, otro más va atrás.
You like it? Close it.
Vamos a hacer el frente.
No, ahí cabe. Perfecto.
Okay, guys, so take your shoe off and then meet me at the stairs.
Okay.
Meet me at the stairs. Hi, Juju. It's his first time here. Hi, Papa. It's your new home, Juju. You get it, Judge. Yeah, boy, yeah. Look at all that space. Yeah. You like it, Papa? All right. Ready? Okay. Get Maddie. Go. Someone get Maddie. Pick her up. We're going upstairs. Come on. All right. So.
Okay, Jackson.
Wait.
Jackson.
All right. First is Maddie. Maddie, welcome home. Welcome home, baby. Yeah. You like it? Oh. You like it, Mommy?
Juju doesn't know how to come upstairs.
He's scared.
There.
You like it?
I gotta teach him to
You like the bunny? You like it? Grandma got it for you.
Mommy, Grandma's gonna help me.
Alright, next. Babe, watch Maddie and her. The twins.
The twins are. Is it over there?
Yeah.
Juju came upstairs.
Sí.
Alright, go.
What is that?
You get to pick which one you want. That's from Grandma. Welcome home. Okay, next, Jackson.
Paw Patrol. Anything.
Right here. Here's your stuff.
Is this a
I don't know. He has to open it and see what's in it.
water blaster?
What do you say? Missy?
This is like that one first, so.
Welcome home.
Yeah. You always went in the beanbag.
Really?
That's what I'm gonna do every time I'm here. There. Oh, you have a beanbag.
Yeah.
Put it in there. You got a beanbag?
Juju, you made it upstairs, boy.
You finally did.
You did it. Yay.
There was so scary anymore.
I know.
You can go to bed with me every time. Yay.
That's just the clothes.
Who's grandma sleeping with?
Me. No, me. I'm not just me. She can't sleep with us because we don't have a bunk bed. Me.
Huh?
Well, me. She's sleeping with me.
This is grandma's room?
Yeah, she's sleeping with that.
Welcome home, grandma.
You? Ah, thank you. I sleep with my princess. Thank you, baby.
Look, Maddie, look.
Okay. You too.
Why can't we open our
Did you turn up the AC?